Hi, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We have Ali here. Ali has low back pain, mid back pain, upper back. He's got it all. He works at a restaurant, so he does a lot of lifting. So what we do with him in the beginning is we put the muscle stem. It just finished. We're going to go ahead and take him out, and we stretch him using a flexion distraction. What this does is kind of decompress the muscles. It kind of relaxes it and pulls his muscles out. So let me go ahead and take this out for him. And the muscle stem kind of relaxes him, so it gets the adjustment easy. So I do mixture adjusting for him. I do drop tables sometimes. I do arthro stem sometimes, and which you'll see in the video in a second. Ali, you okay?
Yes.
I'm going to turn the machine on. So today I'm going to do drop table on his lower back. Ali, move down this way a little bit. Move down this way. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Deep breath for me, Aaron. Oh, yeah. Good. We're going to do 3 of those. Deep breath. All the way down. Good. And last one. Good. Now we're going to use the arthro stem in a couple of the areas here for his mid back. Ali gets everything. Manual, arthro stem. I'm going to check his ribs real quick. Okay, Ali, let's go face up for me. You okay?
Yes.
Alright. Yeah. And the last part, go ahead and move down for me towards your feet, just that way a little bit. Perfect. Deep breath for me. All the way up. Perfect. Go face down for me one more time. I'm just going to check it. So that was one of his visits. We're probably going to see him again on Thursday to kind of loosen up the muscles even more. Again, he does a lot of lifting, he does a lot of bending, so we got to loosen up the muscles every so often for him. All right, thank you.